Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to encounter some of the most endearing and delightful creatures our planet has to offer. From the lush forests to the icy landscapes, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its incredible diversity and, of course, its unparalleled cuteness. Over the next few minutes, prepare to be captivated by the irresistible charm of these remarkable animals. We'll be counting down the top 10 cutest animals in the world, each with their own unique features and quirks that are sure to melt your heart. So, sit back, relax, and let the wave of cuteness wash over you as we explore the adorable world of these fascinating creatures. Let's begin. Our first encounter brings us to the sunny shores of Australia, home to a creature known as the happiest animal on Earth, the quokka. These small marsupials, with their perpetually upturned mouths, seem to wear a constant smile, radiating joy to all who cross their path. Their infectious grins and playful nature have made them internet sensations, and it's no wonder why. A glimpse of a quokka's cheerful face is enough to brighten anyone's day. Next we journey to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, where we meet the red panda, a creature whose very existence seems to defy logic. With its captivating combination of a fox-like face, a ringed tail reminiscent of a raccoon, and a coat the colour of autumn leaves, the red panda is a sight to behold. Their large, expressive eyes and gentle demeanour only add to their charm, making them a beloved species among wildlife enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Our journey into the world of cuteness takes us to the scorching sands of the Sahara Desert, where we encounter a creature perfectly adapted to this harsh environment, the fennec fox. Its most striking feature, without a doubt, is its extraordinarily large ears, which serve not only to dissipate heat but also to amplify sound, making it a highly efficient hunter. But beyond its practical adaptations, the fennec fox possesses an undeniable charm. Its diminutive size, delicate features, and playful nature make it an utterly captivating creature. Chapter 4, the sea otter, a heartwarming handholder. Our exploration now takes us from the arid desert to the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, where we meet the playful and intelligent sea otter. These furry marine mammals are renowned for their playful antics and endearing habit of holding hands while they sleep, a behavior that prevents them from drifting apart in the swirling currents. Their thick fur, the densest of any mammal, provides insulation in the cold waters and contributes to their irresistibly cuddly appearance. Watching a group of sea otters frolic in the water is a truly heartwarming experience. Chapter 5, the koala, a sleepy symbol of Australia. We return to the land down under for our next encounter, where we meet a true icon of Australia, the koala. These arboreal marsupials are instantly recognizable by their fluffy ears, button noses, and perpetually sleepy expression, spending most of their lives high up in eucalyptus trees. Koalas survive on a diet of eucalyptus leaf, which induces a state of drowsiness, further adding to their laid-back charm. Chapter 6, the pygmy goat, pocket-sized playfulness. Our journey takes a delightful turn as we meet the pygmy goat, a creature whose diminutive size and playful personality make it a favourite among animal lovers. Originating in West Africa, these miniature goats were originally bred for their milk and meat, but have since captured hearts worldwide with their endearing antics. Their playful nature, coupled with their compact size, makes them a joy to be around, and their boundless energy is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Chapter 7, the hedgehog prickly on the outside, pure cuteness within. Our next encounter brings us face to face with the hedgehog, a creature that proves that even prickly characters can be utterly adorable. Their spines, while seemingly intimidating, are actually modified hairs that provide protection from predators. When threatened, they curl into a tight ball, transforming into an unassailable sphere of spiky cuteness. But don't let their prickly exterior fool you. Beneath those spines lie gentle creatures with surprisingly endearing habits. Chapter 8: The Sloth, Masters of Relaxation. Our journey into the heart of cuteness takes us to the rainforests of Central and South America, home to the incredibly laid-back sloth. Known for their slow movements and deliberate pace, sloths are masters of relaxation, spending most of their lives hanging upside down in the rainforest canopy. Their unhurried nature, and coupled with their perpetually sleepy expressions and gentle demeanor, makes them one of the most endearing creatures on the planet. Chapter 9: The Penguin, Waddling Wonders of the Southern Hemisphere. We venture to the icy landscapes of the Southern Hemisphere for our next encounter, where we meet the irresistibly charming penguin. These flightless birds have captivated hearts worldwide with their clumsy waddles on land and their graceful agility in the water. Their tuxedo-like plumage and endearing habit of huddling together for warmth only add to their charm. Penguins are a true testament to the fact that cuteness can be found even in the most extreme environments. Chapter 10: The Meerkat, Curious and Cooperative Cuties. Our final destination takes us to the arid plains of southern Africa, home to the incredibly social and undeniably adorable meerkat. These small mammals are known for their upright posture, which they use to scan for predators while their fellow meerkats forage for food. Their cooperative nature and their curious, inquisitive expressions make them a delight to observe. Watching a group of meerkats interact is like witnessing a perfectly choreographed dance of cuteness. Until next time, stay curious and kind. Thank you for joining us on this heartwarming journey through the animal kingdom. We have explored diverse habitats and encountered some of the most endearing creatures our planet has to offer, from the infectious smile of the quokka to the heartwarming hand-holding of the sea otter. Each animal has reminded us of the beauty, wonder, and sheer cuteness that exists in the natural world. We hope these adorable creatures have brought a smile to your face and inspired a sense of wonder for the diversity of life on Earth. Remember, every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.